from Alon Memorial Park. I just wanted to reach out just to speak to you about your experience here at the community.
All right, so if y'all don't know, I recently got a new phone. I'm filming on it right now. It's a 13 Pro Max. Y'all saw my little coach bag in the other video. And luckily, I got two phones and I can film because we gotta make a phone call. So let me... if y'all haven't seen my last Karen video, basically what happened was I went to go tour an apartment and they're being very rude to me. They wanted to rush me out. Overall, it was just a bad experience. I documented that experience. I recorded the whole thing and I posted on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Because I was supposed to tour. I wanted to show y'all all the apartments so y'all can help me pick. And it's just something that happened. I didn't plan for the Karen to be me. So fast forward to now, I posted the video last night super late, like at 8 or 9 o'clock. So once I posted that video, some of y'all actually went to the Google reviews and y'all actually left bad reviews. Y'all gave them 1 star because of how they were treating me. And I want to say from the bottom of my heart, man, I appreciate y'all for sticking up for me. I've never been in a situation like this, so I'm not too sure how to handle it. And let me read some of the reviews. So I'm on Google right now and you go to the reviews. Let's go to newest. Kaylin, just now, 1 star, 1 star, 42 minutes, 1 star, 1 star, 1 star, 1 star, 1 star. Brett, and very disrespectful to Julian. Guys, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank y'all so much for like really standing up for me and just very, very rude tour ladies for absolutely no reason. Bro, the thing about this is all true. They were all being rude to me. Like, they didn't even give me a chance, nothing. Like legit, I didn't mind not filming. I'm looking, at the end of the day, bro, I'm looking for an apartment. I'm looking for a place to stay. It's not all about a YouTube video, but it was just the tone, the demeanor, the body language. Y'all didn't see how she was being towards me. But I don't really want to explain myself. We're gonna be calling back to Karen. So actually, she called me while I was in a Starbucks line. I'm gonna actually play her voicemail right here. But she called me, she was like, yo, this is, I'm gonna just make up a name. This is Amy from Elon Apartments, and we're looking for Julian. And I was just, I don't like this. I hadn't ate, I ain't got no food in my system. I just woke up. I'm not gonna get on the phone and have a negative experience. But now I'm ready to talk on the phone. So here's the voicemail she actually left me because I just hung up on her. I didn't want to talk to her. I was gonna talk to her later.
This message is for Julian. This is Beth calling from Alon Memorial Park. I just wanted to reach out just to speak to you about your experience here at the community. I am the new community manager here, and I would really like the opportunity to speak with you and to make things right. If you could please give us a call back whenever you get the chance.
For sure, whenever I get the chance. Right now, I got the chance. So she said somehow they want to make things right. If we could. She wants to make things right, so I'm gonna try to make things right. I really want to resolve this. I don't want no problems, but I already feel bad about all the reviews, to be honest. Like, I'm like in the middle. Like, should I feel bad? But they were also being rude to me, you know? So it's like, I don't know. So let's see how this phone call goes. They obviously watched my video.
Thank you for calling Alon Memorial Park. This is, how can I help you?
Can I speak to?
Oh, yes. Give me just 1 second, okay? I'm gonna put you on hold.
Thank you.
Okay.
She was a little more nice. Hey, this is Julian.
Hi, Julian. Thank you for giving me a call back.
Of course. I'm in a better time to talk. I feel good right now.
Okay, good.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Of course.
So I just wanted to reach out to you. I am the new community manager. Today is actually my first day here at the community.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry about that.
So I just wanted to reach out to you. I did speak with the team here regarding your experience here on the video on Monday.
Correct.
And I just want to let you know you did come in. We were in a very vulnerable state. The team here, they all had COVID, so we were dealing with that for all last week. So there was a lot of people that were out. We were very short-staffed. And then the person that you had your experience with and came in to tour with, they are a very private person. So at the end of the day, she should have just asked if there was even though there was only one other person here, just to see if there's someone else.
So look, this is what I had the actual problem with. At the end of the day, like I said, I was looking for an apartment. You know what I'm saying? If she didn't want me to tour or film like the tour, I didn't mind that. But it was just the tone and the demeanor and her language. And both of them, like maybe it was just her, but both of them, they were building no rapport. Like I don't know who taught them any type of sales or anything. Like that was not. Obviously, I knew the situation was gonna be bad, and I document my life. That's what I do. So,
Yeah.
you know, that's what happened.
Yes, and it is, something that we've never came across here is, having someone document their tour. I mean,
The only thing I wanted to say too is like we've toured 5 apartments in one day, and it's kind of hard. And usually we see 2 units at every apartment complex, so that's 10 units. It's actually very hard to remember 10 floor plans all in the same day.
Yeah, I definitely understand. Maybe there was some type of miscommunication.
So,
because if you wanted to just record the apartment, then definitely. But it's just something that we've never came across where someone wants to actually record while we're on tour and describing the amenities and being not physically on camera, but our voices on the camera. So it's just something that we haven't experienced before, and definitely it's a learning experience for us to be prepared for when someone that likes to document and their experiences,
right?
For us to learn and know how to handle those situations. So
right.
I am sorry about that, but I would like to invite you to come by to tour. I do feel comfortable giving you a tour if you want to record your experience. I don't know if that's something that you're wanting.
When would you guys like to do the tour?
So we are here until 6 today.
Could you do it tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Yes, I'll be here tomorrow.
You'll be there tomorrow. What time do you get there? Like, what's a good time for you?
So I'm here from 9 to 6. So what works best for you?
To be honest, I just got into an Airbnb, so I gotta figure out my schedule for tomorrow.
Okay.
But I definitely want to do it tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Okay. Do you want to just give me a call back when you take a look at your schedule to let me know?
For sure. And would you mind if I document the tour?
No, I don't mind. As long as I'm not on.
I'm not gonna put you on it.
Yeah, on the camera. I don't want my face to be there.
Right. No, of course. That's why I asked. I respect, because anybody else, they could have just started waving the camera, but some people don't want to be on camera, and I respect that.
Yeah. And what should have happened is we should have asked if someone else was more comfortable with doing that and
right.
maybe schedule a different time, for you to come back. So yes, if you can give us the opportunity to do that, just give me a call and let me know what time works best for you tomorrow.
For sure.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
Not at the moment. Thank you so much for being respectful and actually communicating with me.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Julian. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. Right now in the comments, should I go tour that apartment complex? I'm not moving there. There's no way in hell I'm moving there, bro. Hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no. Should I tour? Should I tour the spot? I'm low-key making a series out of this, which I'm low-key hyped about. Now, another question I got for y'all. Should I take down the video? She didn't ask me, and I wasn't gonna bring it up. I was gonna wait for her to bring it up. But I kind of feel bad, bro. There's so many 1-star reviews, and it's her first day. Like, she's probably trying to make the whole community better. And I really just want to have mercy, man. I'm not a negative person. It's just a negative thing happened to me, and I documented it, But that's freaking crazy. But y'all let me know in the comments what I should do. Should I tour it? Should I not? Should I just film other videos? I think I am gonna tour it, to be honest, just for content. I might title the Karen toured me around or something. I don't know. I just want to be this as a learning lesson, guys. I'm still practicing. I'm still young. I'm trying to learn how to get through these negative situations. I want to be a businessman, so you gotta have professional and stuff. So, but if you haven't yet, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can keep updated with my freaking videos. All right. If you want to watch the first Karen video, though, click right here.